Your power tool uses a variable speed switch. The switch turns the tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed. Over time, the switch can fail. It may no longer turn the tool on, might only work intermittently, or might only run at one speed. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Next, I'll remove the cord wires, the ground wire, the black cord wire. To remove these wires, I'll insert a small screwdriver into the openings on the switch and twist it. That'll release the wire. Next, the white cord wire. And now I can remove the motor wires from the switch. Now I can install the new switch. First, I'll reattach the motor wires. Now I'll reinstall the cord to the switch. First the black wire, then the white, and I'll reconnect the ground wire. I'll place the switch back into the handle, place the cord clamp in the handle, and align the strain relief. And then I'll make sure all of the wires are tucked out of the way so they don't get pinched when I reinstall the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear housing. And now you know how to install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.